Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. Today we've got Beauty Big Bang Christmas XL 030 swatches. Got to start off with some little peel porn here. Get that blue film off of the plate and clean it with some acetone. And I like to wipe it down with a paper towel to kind of take away that frosty, smeary look. Look how pretty this plate is. Ugh. I'll be using my Beauty Big Bang stamper and scraper today, and some Nicole Diary stamping polishes. This first image is like, I think they call them like holly berries. I don't know. They're pretty. And this one is a very solid image. It's gonna not show much of the polish below, but it's some little red reindeer. Well, it's going to be red reindeer because that's what I'm doing it on a red nail. I love it. It's so cute. And then next we've got some Snowman. There we go. And this one's just like a poinsettia design, I guess. It's a bunch of little squares with little flowers in it. Really like this one too. Gosh, that stamps beautifully. And then we've got another snowman. Swoop. Pick that image up and plop it on this nail tip. Very cute. And this is one of my favorite images on this plate. It's just so cute. The ornaments hanging. Adorable. And then I'm going to do these little 4 images on the side. These little smaller images. There we go. That one looks like a little penguin. And then we got like a goofy moose. I just love it that they've come out with some new plates. I'm really excited about it. I love the Christmas moose. Everybody needs a little Christmas moose, right? Here we go. This one looks like a little Christmas puppy dog. Or cat. I guess it's a cat. It's kind of hard to tell on this video. Yeah, I'm going to call it a cat. And then here we go with the next one. Corner images can be a little tricky sometimes. So let's see how this one does. Now that one is for sure a cat. So maybe the other one was a puppy dog. You know, Tina has trouble sometimes, you guys. Oh, that's so cute. I flipped the plate around to make it easier for me to get to without getting polish all over me. I love it. So far, every image has picked up just flawlessly. Bunch of little presents. And you guys know I can't get enough of snowflake images, and I just can't. I've got loads and loads of snowflake images, and I just can't get enough of them. They're just so cool. And this one, I believe, just says ho 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 all over it. Very cute. Loving it. And this one's like one of those sweater designs or maybe wrapping paper. I really like that they mixed it up here on these plates. Oh, and it's got the little reindeer on it. So adorable. And this is another favorite image. You guys know I like them swirly twirlies and stuff. So this one and the next one are also some of the favorites off of this plate. By the way, Beauty Big Bang does sell these plates individually, or you can buy them in a set. I will have all the information listed down in the description box. I don't get paid by Beauty Big Bang. I just occasionally get products from them to swatch. So I just want to throw that out there so you know. Look at that. I love it. So here we go. Here are my swatches. And I do have the rest of the plates from this collection to swatch. So I'll be bumping these out just as fast as I can so that hopefully you can get them in time to play with them for Christmas if you decide to buy them. So there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And that is it for today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.